Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Uwaz. If you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I style this unit. This is the new hairband unit. I'm going to be styling it in different ways and I'll be showing you guys how I do that. Honestly, it looks beautiful. You can even put it in a bun. So if you're here and you want to see how I achieve them styles, keep on watching. And also, if you've been here before, you still have not hit that subscribe button, girl, I know you want to stick around. Just hit it. Hit the subscribe button. We are on the road to 500 subscribers, and once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm doing live. So you guys gotta see me, answer all your questions, and get to interact with me, okay? Now, without further delay, let's dive into the video. Okay, before we get into the video, I just thought I'd show you guys how the wig looks like. The inside, the stitching and everything, and how to apply it before we get to styling it. This is how it comes. It's very secured. The first style I'm going to show you, which is the basic style, it comes with a band. If you want versatile style, you might need to get some bands, some hair bands. So today I'm going to be using this one. I got this from Dorothy Perkins and they were on sale. These I got from Savers. This is just like £1. The sun is playing with me, girls. The sun is playing with me, so I'm going to try and dim the lights a little bit. The sun is just gone. Now it's too dark. Okay, maybe this is fine. These I've had for so long now, so I'm going to try this as well, and maybe depending on how long the video is, I'll probably try this one as well. So now to start, this is the band that comes with it. This is how the wig comes. So the first style I'm doing is using this band which comes with the wig. And I'm just going to do this, and so depending on how much hair you want to show, you can pull it forward a little bit if you want, but personally I think I like it like this. You can have it like this as well, or change it around. Yeah, this is this look. Okay, now the next one I'm using, it's going to be this one. So I think this is very easy and straightforward. You can just place it on top of the band. That is you good to go. You can even hold it up in a bun if you choose to, or you can leave it like that. It's done. Because this one is very stretchy, so it's gonna be easy to go through my neck. Ooh, that is easy. So we're going to try to be careful not to put any stain on this one. Okay, with this one, this is one way you can do it, or you can have it in a bund. I'm going to take my hairband and just wrap it in a bund. You can even put everything in one bund, actually. Let's do that. See? Easy peasy. The next one and the final one is this one. Because this is not so stretchy, so I'm going to struggle to take it around my head, and hopefully my makeup is going to stain this. I'm going to get a towel and just wrap it around my face and then try not to get makeup stain on this. Okay, now I got it around. I finally did. So this is one. This is one style. I'm going to try and do a half bund or half pony. Now I have done a half pony. Okay, here is the wig in a pony. You can see the back. This is how it looks, guys. I love it. I just love it. This is the final style I decided to do. I'm sure you can create so many different styles with it. You can do like a bun in the middle. You can do so many styles. Guys, the possibility or the style possibility of this hair, of this wig, it's endless. You can do whatsoever. it's like your own hair, just that it's a wig. Can you imagine that? Oh my gosh. And you can switch bands. You can, whatever outfit you're going, like now my yellow bands kind of goes with my outfit. So whatever outfit you have on, you can always have different style of band. You can even use your scarf. Woof. This is fabulous. Huh. So guys, let me know when you try them out. If you do try to make the wig yourself, or if you do try the different styles or different looks I'm showing you guys today, let me know in the comment section. And also you can tag me on Instagram. It's Uwaz makeup or Uwaz hair. Follow me on Instagram. That's my Instagram handles. I have 2 Instagram pages, one for my makeup page and one for my hair page. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.